introduce you as you're filming me basically. Did you know I put my own program on this now?
Let's see.
I wasn't happy with it. Now normally we were using mode 1. I love mode 1, it's lovely. Now I've got mode 2 now, it's an absolute beast. And as you can see, mode 1, scan speed 2,300 millimeters a second. My mode, 13,000 millimeters a second. You just can't beat a bit of 13,000 millisecond, can you? The thing with this machine is, when you change the frequency and when you change the pulse duration, it's not nothing to do with the laser power. It changes the smoothness or the hardness of the cut. It's almost like those old-fashioned machines what you used to be able to skim brake discs with. Smooth or rough cut. So I've set it just right anyway. I have to change my glasses now. Quite a bit of smoke, but never mind. So I'll put my Michael Jackson sunglasses on. Quite good that, isn't it? Let's do this other side now. Of course, when this engine sumps off, I can degrease everything in the degreaser. But it's going to be painted, this block, so there's not much need to degrease that. But the sump pan we'll take off and do separately, of course. It's a bit heavy, this tool. It weighs about 5 or 6 kilos. It's quite unwieldy, really. Of course, you've got to get the laser distance and the sweet spot or it doesn't do anything, you know.